In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your password in Vantage Markets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and once you are on the client portal, I want you to click the account section. Here, all I have to do is super simple. Beside your account number, you can see that there is a donut or gear icon beside it. It will give you multiple options. And of course, there is an option here that says change trading password. All I have to do is super simple. Type in the current password and put in the new password, confirm it, and click the change password. If in case you forgot your password, click on it and enter the email address that was associated to that specific account. And then you will receive a password change request from Vantage Market. And for you to be able to change it, just click the change link. This will forward you to the option to reset a new password. Once you have successfully change your password, go back to the homepage. All right. So basically, that's how you change your password in Vantage Markets. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.